Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how to get revenge on Monopoly Go. Now it's an extremely easy process. So firstly, just simply open the game. Once your game is opened, just simply close all the pop-ups that might appear in front of you. Now, in order for you to get the revenge on any friend or anyone in Monopoly Go, firstly you need to check who do you want to take the revenge on. In order for you to do that, click on the three lines at the top right, then click on board report, and right over here you will have the list of the people who have attacked your town. Now you know the names of the people who have attacked you. Now it's time to get the revenge. Now, in order to get the revenge, first you have to land on a railroad. So as you can see, this is a railroad right over here. Before you will land on a railroad, let me give you a small tip. So, if you're going to attack someone, you will need to play shutdown. You will be able to collect some amount of money from that particular opponent. Now, in order to increase the amount that you will get, all you have to do is just simply increase the multiplier. Now, the multiplier will be found right over here. Depending on the number of dice you have, you will be allowed the highest amount of multiplier. The more higher the multiplier will be, the more amount of money you will be able to get from your opponent. All you have to do is just simply set a multiplier and then just simply lock on go by holding it, and then just simply wait until we land on a railroad. Now, once you land on a railroad, and if you get shut down over here just like this, now after that, if you want to get revenge from a particular person, all you have to do is click on switch opponent at the bottom, and right over here you will have a revenge tab, and over here they will show you the people who have attacked you in the past minutes or days. As you can see at the top, there is a person who attacked me 23 minutes ago. I'm going to take revenge on this particular person. Now all you have to do is click on go. Now just simply hit any of the target. You will be able to get decent amount of reward. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.